These are exam questions for AI 900 as Microsoft is your AI fundamentals. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question is what is a use case for classification? Option A, predicting how many cups of coffee a person will drink based on how many hours a person slept the previous night. Option B, analyzing the contents of images and group images that have similar colors. Option C, predicting whether someone uses a bicycle to travel to work based on the distance from home to work. And option D, predicting how many minutes it will take someone to run a race based on the past race times. The correct answer is option C. Our next question. What are the two tasks that can be performed by using computer vision? Option A, predict stock prices. Option B, detect brands in an image. Option C, detect the color scheme in an image. Option D, translate text between languages. And option E, extract key phrases. The correct answer is option B and C. Our next question. Your company wants to build a recycling machine for bottles. The recycling machine must automatically identify bottles of the correct shape and reject all the other items. Which type of AI workload should the company use? Option A, anomaly detection. Option B, conversational AI. Option C, computer vision. Option D, natural language processing. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, in which two scenarios can you use the form recognizer service? Option A, extract the invoice number from an invoice. Option B, translate a form of French to English. Option C, find image of product in a catalog. Option D, identity the retailer from a receipt. The correct answer is option A and D. Our next question. You are processing photos of runners in a race. You need to read the numbers of the runners. Sure to identify the runner in the photos. Which type of computer vision should you use? Option A, facial recognition. Option B, optical character recognition. Option C, semantic segmentation. Option D, object detection. The correct answer is option B, that is optical character recognition. Our next question. You need to build an image tagging solution for social media that tags images of your friends automatically. Which Azure cognitive services service you should use? Option A, computer vision. Option B, face detection. Option C, text analytics. Option D, form recognizer. The correct answer is option B. Our next question. Your website has a chatbot that assists customers. You need to detect when a customer is upset based on the customer types in the chatbot. Which type of AI workload should you use? Option A, anomaly detection. Option B, semantic segmentation. Option C, regression. Option D, natural language processing. The correct answer is option D. Our next question. Which AI service can you use to interpret the meaning of a user input such as call me back later. Option A, translator text. Option B, text analytics. Option C, speech. Option D, language understanding. The correct answer is option D, that is language understanding. Our next question. You are developing a chatbot solution in Azure. Which service should you use to determine a user's intent? Option A, translator text. Option B, QA maker. Option C, speech. Option D, language understanding. The correct answer is option D. Our next question. You need to make the press releases of your company available in a range of languages. Which service should you use? Option A, translator text. Option B, text analytics. Option C, speech. Option D, language understanding. The correct answer is option A, that is translator text.